Assalamualaikum and good day to each and everyone, especially to our instructor, engineer, si Ma'am Janine Sanidato. And today I will represent my topic about water temperature. Water temperature, let us discuss it. Is crucial for safety, comfort, and efficiency. This presentation outlines different water temperature applications and necessary precaution. Water temperature is plays a crucial role in our daily lives, influencing safety, comfort, and efficiency. From the moment we wake up and take a shower, or washing our hands, cooking, or in industrial processes, water temperature is a key factor in ensuring hygiene and preventing hazard. Um, may, ang water temperature ay mahalaga ito sa atin. 'Di ba? Pag merong pagkakataon, merong situation na naranasan natin yung pag naliligo tayo, biglang lumalamig yung tubig or biglang umiinit, nagiging sanhi ng paghapaso na or pagkasunog ng ating katawan. Isa lamang yun sa mga kahalagan ng water temperature para malaman natin kung paano ba nagkakaroon ng ganong temperatura or ano ba yung nagiging dahilan ng mga yon. So, yung water temperature ay it depends sa water temperature ay vary based on their source, storage, intended application. Okay, there are four main topic of water temperature. Pinagkukunan ng tubig or source. First is cold water. Next, chill water. Number 3, heated water. And lastly, tempered water. Let us know the cold water. Varies by climate, season, and depth. Ang cold water is unheated water from natural sources such as groundwater, wells, or municipal supply system. There are variation variation of cold water by climate. No, marami siyang ang cold water ay may variation. It depends in the climate. First is shallow lines. Moderate climates 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Next is hot climates up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. In Celsius is 32. Desert climates mainly chilling. And lastly, the first constant 50 degrees to 55 degrees Fahrenheit year around. So the cold water ay nagagamit ang cold water sa pag-inom ng tubig, drinking water, cooling, and industrial use. Okay, so let's proceed in chill water. Okay, cold to around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. In Celsius is 10 using refrigeration. Cold water is water actively cooled using refrigerator or chilling system. Their uses is first is industrial cooling system, air conditioning in buildings, in beverage dispensing, for example, soft drinks, beer, guys. Okay, let us give an example for this chill water. For example, is large office building use chill water system to regulate indoor temperature. Example nito, yung kapag sa isang gusali or malaking gusali, ginagamit ang chill water para i-regulate yung temperatura ng mga silid. Okay, that's the example of chill water. And let us proceed in heated water. Potable water heated to at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius 49. Okay. Heated water is water heated to a certain temperature for domestic and commercial use. The standard temperature of heated water, as we said, 120 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius 49 or higher. Yes. We use the heated water in four types. No, in four. First is laboratory or paghugas 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Celsius for hand washing. Next is bathing, 115 degrees Fahrenheit, 46 degrees Celsius for showers, baths. And next is residential, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius for dishwashing, laundry. And lastly, commercial, up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius is 82 for dishwashing. So, for example, hotels must ensure a continuous supply of safe hot water to meet guests' expectation while preventing scalding. So let's proceed in Legionella prevention. First is distribution temp is maintain 120 degrees Fahrenheit plus 2 in Celsius is 49. Periodic flushing is flush fixture at 170 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius is 77. What is Legionella? Legionella bacteria or Legionella is a bacteria that grows in stagnant warm water that degrees 77 in Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius causes Legionnaires. This is a severe pneumonia-like illness. Example of this Legionella prevention in hospital. Improper water temperature control has led to Legionella outbreaks causing patient infection. Okay. Let us proceed to our next slide, scalding risk. Water that is too hot can cause severe burns in seconds. Okay, this is the per table. In 125 degrees Fahrenheit, 52 degrees Celsius is 1.5 to 2 minutes to cause burns. Means, pag yung temperatura ng tubig ay 125 degrees Fahrenheit or in Celsius is 52 degrees Celsius is pag tumikit ito sa ating katawan or parte ay in 1 minute and 30 seconds or 2 minutes ay masusunog. No? In 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius is 30 seconds. And 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius is less than 5 seconds. And 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 66 degrees Celsius is 1.5 seconds. Habang lumalaki or tumataas yung temperatura, ay lalong paikli yung oras. Ito yung dapat natin iwasan, no? Para maiwasan natin yung sanhin ng scalding or pagkapasok. Okay, let's proceed. The last of the main topic of water temperature is tempered water. Tempered water is 90 degrees to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 in Celsius is 32 to 43 Celsius blend. Ginagamit natin ito, nagagamit ang tempered water in showers, industrial processes. tempered water is, alam natin yung tempered water is a controlled mix of hot and cold water to maintain safe temperature. Bakit ba ginagamit yung tempered water? Why use it? Prevents burns while providing warmth, and lastly, use in safety system, for example, in emergency showers, eye wash stations. Let us give example of this. For example, in hospital, use tempered water to ensure patient safety. This is the end of my topic, and that's all. Thank you.